A common mistake, the collar is crooked, with one side higher. To fix it, unpick the stitches and realign the collar.
Here, the collar doesn't fit the neckline, creating gaps and folds. These issues show why precise fitting is crucial. Bulky seams are a common problem, caused by excess fabric. Trim the seam allowances. Grade the seams, then press each layer flat. The collar is too short, causing gaps and folds. Check the lengths, adjust the seams, and base to test the fit. Here are two common mistakes. A collar stand that's too loose, leaving gaps, or one that's too tight, causing puckering. Here's a collar stand that's too loose, and here's one that's too tight. Aim for a perfect, comfortable fit. Here's a common mistake. One side of the collar is higher, asymmetrical, and the collar band is uneven around the neckline. Here, the collar stand is too loose, leaving gaps around the neck. And here it's too tight, causing the fabric to bunch up. On the left, an uneven, rounded collar. On the right, a sharp, precise the difference in edge definition. Here is a common mistake. The collar is crooked and asymmetrical. First, realign the collar band. Finally, resew it symmetrically. Here's a common mistake. The collar is crooked. First, unpick the stitches. Then, realign the fabric. Finally, sew it straight. Here's a common mistake. A crooked, misaligned collar. First, align the collar points and secure with pins. Stitch the seam for a symmetrical result. This illustrates a common mistake. A crooked collar with one side higher, points not matching, and a band not sitting straight.